Hello my beauties and cuties, welcome back to the All You Can Face channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and if you're passionate about learning how to become the best version of yourself, like glowing up from the inside out, then you're here at the right place. And I would love to ask you to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's start with our topic of the day, our lips. We have a ring muscle around our mouth right here, with which we can, of course, express ourselves, smile, kiss, and do whatever we want. But with age, if we look at this right here, and this kind of is our exemplary ring muscle, then this is when you are young and it's like very elastic and everything is moving perfectly. But then with age, we get and accumulate a lot of tension and stress in that area. For example, if we are like puckering our lips or something bad is happening, or like you're just like tense right here, and the muscle becomes smaller and stronger. And what happens with our lips, they become also thinner. With this routine, which I'm going to show you, we're going to relax that entire area and we're going to release it. So without further ado, let's start with our routine and massage and melt all the stress in our mouth away and plump up your lips naturally. hope you had fun doing these massages with me and release the tension out of your mouth. And if you want to learn more about your face and the anatomy and how to actually become the best version of yourself from the inside out, then I would love to invite you to the All You Can Face program at allyoucanface.com, where you learn all the techniques, because this was literally just a little tiny fraction of what you can do with your face to glow up. Check out these amazing before and after pictures, and maybe you're the next one to glow up with me. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. Till then, mwah.